Did you know that you can now connect Windows Copilot directly to your Outlook account? That means Copilot can read your emails, analyze your inbox, and even check your calendar, all in one place. Let's see how to set it up step by step. First, open Copilot on your Windows computer. When it loads, click the Open Sidebar icon in the top left corner. At the bottom of the list that appears, find your profile icon and click on it. From a menu, choose Settings. Inside Settings, scroll down until you see Connectors and click on it. Now look for Outlook in the list of available connectors. Simply turn on the toggle next to Outlook, and that's it. Your Windows Copilot is now connected to Outlook. From now on, you can ask Copilot to search your emails, summarize conversations, or check your upcoming events and meetings. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.